All right, let's talk about the COVID-19 situation in the country now and getting you the numbers as they stand really today in terms of the active cases in the country. This is how it looks like. The active cases almost inching closer to the 4 lakh mark right now. Deaths in India are at 1,60,692. Recovery is at 1 crore 12,31,650. Talking about the worst affected states, of course, Maharashtra is the worst affected state in the country when it comes to the battle against COVID-19, accounting for more than 60% of the active cases that we're reporting on a daily basis. The state has recorded 31,855 COVID cases in the last 24 hours. It's the highest in this pandemic ever that any state has reported in the last 1 year. It has over 2,30,000 active cases currently. So if the country in totality has close to 4 lakh active cases, Maharashtra is accounting for more than 50% of those. Well, they've also recorded as many as 95 new deaths. Over a period of time, this was hovering around the 50 mark. It's now touching 100, which is rather worrying. The total death toll in Maharashtra, in fact, ever since the outbreak of the pandemic, is 53,684. Mumbai is recording over 5,000 cases, the highest since the outbreak of the pandemic. Case fatality rate in the state is at 2.09%, which is higher than the national average. The centre has confirmed that dual mutations have been found in the country, especially in Maharashtra, could be the possible reason behind the 17% rise in COVID cases in the state since the 1st of March. According to the Health Ministry, dual mutations are found in 206 samples across the state.
The COVID situation in Mumbai and Maharashtra continues to remain grim. Out of the 10 districts in the country with the maximum concentration of active cases, 9 are from Maharashtra, which includes the financial capital, Mumbai, as well. With over 5,000 cases yesterday, Mumbai recorded yet another high, not just this year, but since the beginning of the pandemic. The Mumbai Municipal Corporation has already said there are going to be no Holi celebrations in the city this year. It has also increased testing in the city from 20,000 to 40,000 per day and aims to reach the 50,000 per day mark. It has also increased random checks and testing at all the crowded places, including the malls as well. It is also contemplating that all the beaches in Mumbai, especially the Juhu beach, will be sealed in the days to come. And even though there are no plans as such for a lockdown in the city, but BMC says that there is going to be a stricter implementation of the ground rules. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.